Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I bought myself a new shaver. Let's go check it out. So this is the Braun Series 3 Wet and Dry Electric Shaver, the 3040S model. And the reasons why I purchased this after doing a lot of research is, so one, the price was really good on this unit, very good price. I suppose the selling point was the fact that you could swill it out underwater, you know, you can put it under the tap and swill it out, but I'll never do that. I'll just use the little brush that came with it. Also, there was a fast charge mechanism for it, so you can charge it from flat for 5 minutes and it'll give you a quick shave, and I think 1 hour does a complete full charge, and I have charged it fully up and it does last all week just like the box says, so the battery's pretty good on it too. It's also got a beard trimmer on it, which was a must for me because I like my little goatee. So I use the beard trimmer quite a lot to shape that. And the heads they're square heads. So before this one I had a rotary Phillips, and I think because of my skin type it ripped my face up something rotten. So I decided the Phillips was no good for me. That's not to say it wouldn't be any good for you guys. It may just be my skin type, but I've always found that the straight heads, the square heads, are a lot better for my skin. The rotary one was a present, so the person who bought it didn't know that. So I thought I'd go back to a square head and try that. And fortunately, once my skin had healed up from using the rotary head, I haven't had any more bumps and scrapes and cuts and what have you using this one, so I'm well chuffed with it at the moment. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that this shaver cannot be used while it's plugged in, so if it is dead flat you can't plug it in and start shaving while the power's switched on. There's a safety feature on there that prohibits that, but because it's got the 5-minute charge for a quick shave, I don't think that's a problem. So in this neat little box you get the instruction manual, obviously, a plastic cover that you can put over the shaver to protect the heads, which is pretty good and easy to slide on and slide off. And you also get the power adapter to charge it up. Okay, let's get on and give it a try. Well, there you go guys, that's the Braun Series 3 Electric Shaver, the wet and dry one. I only used it dry. I can't think of any circumstance where I'd want to use it underwater or washing it out while I'm shaving, so I didn't try that, and my brain can't comprehend putting something electrical near water, so I've got this sort of fail-safe switch in my head that doesn't allow me to do it. You guys are gonna have to try that one, because I'm not going to do that. So I think it's a pretty good shaver as far as shavers go. It's a lot better than the Phillips rotary head one that I had last. That one just for some reason tore my face up, but I think that's because of my baby soft skin. Okay, so I give the shaver a thumbs up. It's at the right price too, so if you see it anywhere, you're looking for a shaver, it's a pretty good buy. Okay, if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and like if you like, dislike if you don't, and I'll see you next time, guys. Alright, bye bye. Bye. Ah, where's my tea? Oh, got your tea. Ah, found my tea. Ah, that one's warm. Catch you later, guys. Bye.